Hi there, my name is Jack here at Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI S-tronic, finished in the Python yellow metallic paintwork, giving the A1 that standout road appearance. Looking towards some of the key features now, and with this being the Black Edition, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the gloss black styling points such as the contrast roof package along with the wing mirrors, the side skirts, the front grille and also the badging front and rear, making it a lovely specification. Looking towards the front of the A1, we notice these stunning LED headlights, which are adaptive and perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now down towards the wheels, you will notice the 18-inch 7-arm rotor design diamond cut alloys are part of the RS range, and they do really stand out against that yellow paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, you will notice the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and blends in with the black window surrounds. Moving into the rear boot space of the Audi A1 now, we do find upwards of 335 litres of storage capacity, a large amount for a smaller vehicle of this size, can easily accommodate one larger suitcase and a few additional bags. As we step into the inside of the A1, starting in the rear, we notice the rear seats are half leather with the dynamic seat centre. There is even ISOFIX points which are neatly located across the back row, making the A1 Sportback perfect for family use. As we move into the front, that story does continue with a host of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica, aluminium and the gloss black inlays. With this being the Black Edition, it means you get the sports seats in the front as well with that S logo, the lighter grey stripes and the white stitching. Now above there is the virtual cockpit, which features the 2 rev counters. As well, you can access your navigation as well as important vehicle and driving data. Looking towards the centre of the dashboard, you will notice that MMI touchscreen display, in this case featuring that satellite navigation. This can also be used to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to use the other map services available. Displayed on that central screen as well is the reversing camera, as well as the front and rear sensors, making the A1 much easier to park in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi A1 here at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.